the AI Old Fart travel show welcomes you to Amsterdam. Known for its picturesque canals, historic architecture, and vibrant cultural scene, the capital of the Netherlands offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Later, we will help you to explore the city's charming streets, its museums, art galleries, plus a diverse range of experiences because Amsterdam has something for everyone. But let's be honest, lots of young adults visiting Amsterdam have only 3 things on their minds: sex, drugs, and rock and roll. So let's dive straight in. Amsterdam's Red Light District is known for its vibrant nightlife, but it's important to note that the term sex club can encompass a variety of establishments, from brothels to adult entertainment venues. Also, keep in mind that not all establishments in the Red Light District are sex clubs. Many are bars, restaurants, and shops. Here are a few famous and well-known venues you might encounter in the Red Light District. Banana Bar. Known for its lively atmosphere, Banana Bar offers a unique experience with its famous banana shows. It's a place for adult entertainment and drinks. Moulin Rouge. This historic venue features erotic shows and is a well-known part of the Red Light District. Tour de Bon Temps. Discover the secrets of a sex worker. Amsterdam's Red Light District is a place of great secrecy. Ever wondered what happens behind the doors of a sex club? Tour de Bon Temps, we give you a unique insight into the world of the sex industry in Amsterdam. During this approximately 1-hour tour, which is hosted by a former sex worker, you will discover Amsterdam's most exclusive strip and sex club. It's the best way to take a clear look at the work of the ladies of pleasure. This is your chance to finally have all your questions about the Amsterdam sex industry answered. Amsterdam also has one of the best queer scenes in Europe, and the LGBTQ+ party scene is second to none. In fact, the whole of Amsterdam is one big gay scene, with fantastic gay bars and clubs stretching across the city. Reguliersdwarsstraat is Amsterdam's most famous gay street, but there's a lot more to be found around the city. Here is a list of some of the most famous clubs and cafes. Club Noyex, Café Tamanja, Taboo de l'Elbel, Prick and Barbuka. Plus, Sarrain Church, The Web, Mankind, Homer Monument, Soho and the Queen's Head. Cannabis is legally available for purchase and consumption in Amsterdam in licensed coffee shops. Keep in mind that it's essential to be aware of the current laws and regulations surrounding cannabis use in Amsterdam, such as the age restrictions and the quantity you can purchase and possess. Here's a list of some well-known coffee shops in Amsterdam, but please note that the status and names of these establishments may change, and new ones may have opened since then. The Bulldog Grey Area, The Greenhouse, Barney's Coffee Shop, Amnesia, Dampkring, Wannie Hulp, The Doors Palace, Coffee Shop Paradox and The Stud. Amsterdam is known for its vibrant music scene, and there are numerous live music venues throughout the city where you can enjoy a wide range of musical genres. Please note that the availability of live music events and venues may change, so it's a good idea to check their websites or social media for up-to-date information. Paradiso. One of the most famous music venues in Amsterdam, Paradiso hosts a diverse range of concerts from rock to electronic music. Melkweg, a popular venue for live music, theatre and club nights. Bimhuis. Focused on jazz and improvised music, Bimhuis is a renowned venue for jazz enthusiasts. De School. Known for its electronic music events, De School is a popular club and concert venue. Sugar Factory. A smaller and intimate venue, Sugar Factory showcases emerging and independent artists. The Waterhole. A popular spot for live music, the Waterhole hosts open mic nights and live bands playing rock and blues. Amsterdam Roast. This creative space often hosts live music events and DJs, along with art exhibitions. Now, after all of that partying, if you have any more energy left, then you should take a leisurely stroll along the banks of the city's many canals. And as you're about to see, you can also explore a range of world-class museums, art galleries, and a wealth of cultural experiences. Oh, and don't forget to savour Dutch delicacies like stroopwafels and a pickled herring as you immerse yourself in the city's rich history and modern culture. Amsterdam also has an efficient public transportation system, including trams, buses and ferries. Trams are a great way to get around the city, with multiple lines covering different areas. You can use an OV chip cart for convenient access to these services. Bicycles are also a popular mode of transport, and you can rent them from various rental shops throughout the city. If you just want to relax and sit back and enjoy the hustle and bustle of Amsterdam, there are lots of independent cafes to choose from. Café de Jaren, a stylish cafe along the Amstel River, perfect for a relaxed meal or drinks. De Bakkerswinkel, a cozy cafe known for its delicious breakfast and pastries. Coffee Brew, a hip indie coffee shop in the city serving excellent coffee. Next stop, the pick of Amsterdam's art galleries. Van Gogh Museum. Explore the life and art of Vincent van Gogh with an extensive collection of his paintings. Foam Photography Museum, a contemporary photography museum showcasing a variety of photographic works. Moco Museum features modern and contemporary art, including works by Banksy and Warhol. Torch Gallery, an art gallery that focuses on contemporary and avant-garde art. Amsterdam also offers a wide range of museums. Anne Frank House, a historic site where Anne Frank wrote her diary during World War II. It's now a museum dedicated to her story. Rijksmuseum, home to a vast collection of Dutch Golden Age masterpieces, including works by Rembrandt and Vermeer. Stedelijk Museum, modern and contemporary art museum featuring works by Picasso, Mondrian, and other influential artists. Hermitage Amsterdam, a branch of the State Hermitage Museum in St. Petersburg, Russia, displaying a range of art and artifacts. Amsterdam Sex Museum. This quirky museum offers a historical overview of sex-related artifacts and artworks. Make sure to check the opening hours and any specific regulations for the places you plan to visit, as policies and hours may change over time. If you want to see even more of this wonderful city, here are a few more of our top picks of things to do. That is, if you have any energy left. At Madame Tussauds Amsterdam, you can explore the world of celebrity wax figures. Madame Tussauds is located in the heart of the city. Amsterdam Canal Cruise. Take a relaxing canal cruise to see the city from a unique perspective. There are various operators offering different types of tours, including daytime and evening options. Flower market called Bloemenmarkt in Dutch is located along one of the city's canals. This floating flower market offers a wide variety of flowers, bulbs and souvenirs, including tulips. Vondelpark is Amsterdam's largest park and is perfect for picnics, leisurely walks and people watching. Heineken Experience. Discover the history of Heineken beer and enjoy interactive exhibits and tastings at the former brewery. The Jordaan neighborhood. Explore the charming streets of the Jordaan, known for its picturesque canals, boutique shops and cozy cafes. Science Center Nemo is a hands-on science museum for all ages with interactive exhibits and a rooftop terrace offering great views of the city. Artis Royal Zoo is the oldest zoo in the Netherlands. Artis features a wide variety of animals and beautiful gardens. Hortus Botanicus. Explore this beautiful botanical garden featuring a wide variety of plant species from around the world. Amsterdam Lookout. Enjoy panoramic views of Amsterdam from this observation deck with a swing over the edge for the adventurous. Tipijip is a trendy neighbourhood with a lively atmosphere known for its food stalls, markets, and the Albert Kuip market. Windmill Brewery de Goeie. Visit this traditional Dutch windmill and enjoy a beer tasting at Brewery de Goeie, located next to it. Amsterdam Dungeon. Experience a theatrical journey through Amsterdam's dark history, featuring interactive shows and storytelling. The Diamond Museum Amsterdam. Explore the world of diamonds and learn about their history and craftsmanship. Herengracht. Take a stroll along the beautiful Herengracht Canal, known for its elegant canal houses. Rembrandtplein, a lively square named after the famous Dutch painter, offering restaurants, cafes and nightlife. So this was only a quick look at this wonderful city of Amsterdam. Trust me, there is so much more to see. My name is Anne Oldfart, your host and guide. See you next time on the AI Oldfart Travel Show.